So, Sanjay ji, at our stage, the one lesson that we have learned is that do not give any advice to, or do not ask Gen Z to do anything. They know what they are doing and they know where they are getting. So
I still live in hope, but you're right. Yeah.
So strictly speaking, I would not, and I haven't. But if you are asking me, as to whether this can be an exciting career, certainly yes. For two reasons. As Renu ji was mentioning, there is a huge dearth in this country. Somebody very senior, a retired chairman of Railway Board, when I was joining here, he said that if there is one problem that you can, attend to, it's difficult to solve, it is that you should focus on creating a good logistics workforce and a set of professionals in this country who have exposure and understanding across the spectrum of services. I mean, you have railway experts, you have roadways experts, you have shipping experts, you have very few people who understand the supply chains as they should be understood, from the demand side of logistics as well as the supply side, which is the various sectors and modes. And therefore, that is so there is a crying need in this country. If we want to reduce the logistics costs in this country, which is almost 13 to 14% of GDP currently, and our national logistics policy aims to reduce it to 8%. And the typical reaction is that how do you reduce 5%? 5%? How do you shave off 5%? But the good thing to note is that a lot of hard work in terms of building trunk infrastructure, which is crucial for reducing these costs, has been done in the last 7-8 years. Whether it is Sagar Mala, whether it is Bharat Mala, roadways, railways, dedicated freight corridors. So a lot of that hard work has been done. And what is needed is now integration, finding and filling the blind spots. So there is a lot of work, of course, required for infrastructure development, which opens out, that's going on, whether it is Udan in terms of Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagarik, or railways or roadways or port systems. So there is a lot of infrastructure development careers that can take place, that is, core technological. The legal framework is also being revised. We are working on a new multimodal logistics law in order to provide a single bill of lading. What we are meaning here is that you give a single document to the people who want to transport. It should not be that there is one for railways, there is one for roadways. So you would understand this, but I'm just explaining it for the benefit of others. So developing a common taxonomy. So there is a legal system of liability, etc., which requires a lot of development. That's also logistics. Financial, of course. I mean, finance, the flow of documents and the financial aspect related to logistics. There is a whole area there. Then IT is one area. The document exchange. Right now, we go and give physical documents to people. They exchange hands. I mean, we should be moving to a digital, and perhaps the blockchain technology and such things. And in fact, we are working on that right now. Track and trace. Proof of delivery. Now, these are all things which can be made electronic. Finally, we are developing the large number of terminals and logistic parks. So what is a logistic park and what is a terminal? Ultimately, you should look at all of this commodity flow taking place in the country, in terms of various supply chains, and at locations where the supply chains come to a halt are where the terminals are. There could be, warehouses where the goods are stored, or they could be ICDs, the custom locations where enforced for the purposes of enforcement. You are am I audible?
Yeah, sure. We can hear you.
Yeah. So for the purpose of enforcement, you may halt, or for the purpose of aggregation or disaggregation or shifting mode from road to rail. So for various reasons, you require logistic parks, and there is a lot of opportunity for optimizing and doing better. So ultimately, you are problem solving from the purpose of supply side of logistics, or you could be on the demand side, solving it for fertilizer industry, solving it for the coal industry or fast moving consumer goods. And there is a lot of scope for new technology with drones, Internet of Things, for vehicle to V2X, communications, so warehouse management systems. A lot of new technology which needs AI and ML based systems for managing each of these handling and various activities. So I mean, it's needed. It's a growing field. If I would be able to venture, I would tell her to join.